My people, now wow, wonders shall never end in Abia State. This particular one right here is happening live at Omuma Road. This particular person was caught in the act, but unfortunately, he could not live to tell his own success story. Now, according to stories, according to what we've heard, for over 1 year now, Omuma Road has not seen electricity, no form of electricity supply whatsoever. And this particular building on this road, number 40 Omuma Road, has a private transformer, has been suffering from constant attacks by vandals. I mean, this transformer you're seeing right here has been suffering from constant attacks by vandals. Imagine the landlord who owns a pure water factory on the same road has been spending money from time to time repairing that same transformer. Why not? Because of his business. But last night at about 2 a.m., while this particular vandal was trying to, cut cables, the Abia Power decided to flash supply. As they succeeded in cutting almost all the wires, the last one hooked one of them, and boom, that's how the guy hung like a fish in the air, as you can see. And probably the rest of the gang had to just run away for their lives. They disappeared into thin air. Now here's the funny part. Some people seeing this video are still arguing, saying maybe it was someone that hanged him. I mean, how? How can you possibly see this kind of video and just assumed he was hanged there? Anyway, this particular comment caught my attention. Somebody said there's something about Abia, the land and their ancestors. It's not a place where you last too long doing evil. To my Abia residents, if you know you're a true son and daughter of the soil, please, how true is this particular comment? Because I came across something else that looks similar. This other comment said, criminals don't last in Abia State. Since the creation of the state, no thief survives beyond 3 years. Before that time, signs go they show that your end is near. So I'm still asking, how true is this particular comment?
It's Tuesday, 19th day of August 2025. So I report from Omuma Road, the beautiful Omuma Road. You can see last night around 2 a.m. This is our brother in the Lord. All the Vandalizer electric wires in the Omuma Road. Who deny how far not they may enjoy all over the world. Not knowing that they can form a hand, even a way can form a hand. Unfortunately, you can see that people are gathered in their numbers to see who have been vandalizing their transformer. The vandalism, the transformer, who go up there. You can see all hang horrors, and here the men of Omuma Road, today number 4 Omuma Road to be precise, and we are here to give you situation reports, life and arrest, and also information. So stay tuned and also stay blessed. Share this video for more.
Is it that Abia land does not tolerate evil whatsoever, or is just mere coincidence? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, because this one, you get a CB. Meanwhile, this should serve as a strong warning and maybe lesson to all transformer cable vandals. Electricity is very powerful, and if you play with it, you may not live to tell the story. Ndi Abia, shine your eyes, protect your communities, and let's keep our state safe. We'll see you in the next video.